Well, good morning everybody, welcome back to day 3, and we are in the city of Ponferrada. Really nice castle at the top end of town, and quite an oldie worldy medieval square. We went there, nice meal out, we had steak and chips. Neil and Liam had this set menu for €17. It came out, it was like 4 courses. So they had a bit of a starter, then a bowl of pasta came out, then some pork shoulder came out on potatoes and veg, and then they had, us British, we go out really early, so we're out by sort of 6:30, 7 o'clock, but on the continent the Europeans don't usually come out till about 9 or 10. So I think by the time everybody was coming out we were ready for bed. But it's a cold morning this morning. It is 6 degrees, so I've got a couple of layers on this morning. It was clear skies when we woke up, but it's supposed to clear up today, and it's supposed to be a high of 20. Looking at the weather forecast. So the route today is, I think we're heading down to Chaves, Portuguese border. Right, let's get out of Ponferrada, and then I'll buzz you back in when there's something else going on. We're up in the luscious green hills just off Ponferrada. Seem to be climbing a little bit, but already back into twisty roads, lots of tight bends. Very misty morning this morning, so the views are impaired, but the road's great. Lovely morning this morning, all the mist coming off the mountains, and it looks like blue skies ahead, which is much needed from yesterday's weather. Already into great roads, just following this mountainside all the way around to this lake at the bottom. Just stopped for a little bit in this little lay-by the side of the road. Amazing views. It's a decent road, to be fair. It's quite quick. I tried to turn it round on this grass and I didn't give it enough revs. Fucking idiot. What a buffoon. Trying to do a little bit of... I tried to turn it round on the grass and I didn't give it enough bloody revs. It's not a tour if I don't fall off the bike. This is another great road as well. Not as twisty as the ones over the previous days, but it's quite a fast road, this. Nice big long sweeping bends. It's just a pleasure to ride. The N525 heading down to Zamora. There's a lot of hikers that we've seen on the road. I think they're doing the Camino El Santiago, which is a hike. I think it's from like northern Spain all the way down to Santiago, over 600 miles. I've seen a lot of hikers out doing that today. Here we go. What are we on here? The ZA995 to Calabor. Okay. This looks decent. This road is phenomenal, but the best of it I think is at the top of the mountain before Calabor. Just coming into Portugal now, over the border. So that's us just over the border now into Portugal, heading towards Chaves, or Chaves. He's going to have a whale of a time. These boys on sports bikes, they're going to love that road up there. What a find. What a great day. 19 degrees, the sun's splitting the trees, and we've just ridden one of the best roads I think in Spain. And continuing that road into Portugal. Welcome to Portugal, everybody. And I think when you see vineyards, wondering if you're wonder if this is port region. Be nice to have a port tonight in Chaves. Oh, it's beautiful today. Absolutely beautiful. Plenty of place out today. Just stopped at Cafe Capa Negra. We're going to stop there for a bit of lunch. Right, so we're on the N130 to Chaves. We've got 35 kilometres to go. We've just come down that road there, come down the bottom of the canyon, and then done a big loop round and following it back up the other side of the mountain. But this is stunning. What a road this is. Remember James Bond when he's got the Aston Martin and he's flinging it all round the mountainside? That reminds me of this sort of road. We've ridden some awesome roads today. This is my best day of the trip by far. Don't get me wrong, I like the Picos de Europa, but this road down to Portugal, something else from Ponferrada. I don't want today to end. Half an hour or so before we get to Chaves. It's like 5 o'clock in the evening. Sun's on its way down. And this road here, I love this road. I think we'll have some well-deserved super bock tonight. The local Portuguese brew. I've loved every minute of today. Every minute. Even this morning when it was 8 degrees and we couldn't see anything and the eyes just keep misting up. Even that road there, it was almost tropical, like tropical rainforest weather. Mist coming off the mountains, and then stark contrast to Portugal where it just looks arid and dry. I've never ridden anywhere like this. I've absolutely loved it. Don't think a lot of people got a lot of sleep on before day one, you know, on the ferry coming over. It was a bit choppy and everybody's dehydrated and tired. And then we got to the first hotel in the Picos, and that wasn't a long day, but it was because it was the weather and the mist and the rain, you're having to concentrate just that a lot harder, and I think that took its toll. And you could definitely see, like in the evenings and stuff, when we went out for a meal and a beer, everybody's trying to be chipper, but you could definitely tell that people were tired. So I mean, by 10 o'clock, half 10, we're all going to bed. But I think tonight, I mean, I can definitely see it on people's faces today. You know, people are less tired. And we've ridden the same amount of miles. I mean, 200 miles today, thereabouts. But I think everybody's enjoyed today. And like when we've pulled up for a break, everybody's smiling, and you know, and that's what, for me, that's what being on tour is all about. You're going to get the highs and lows of touring all the time with anybody, whoever you go on tour with. And it's about managing that. But I think tonight, I think everybody's going to have a smile on their face, and we'll have a couple of super bocks to celebrate today. We're just coming down this mountainside now into this valley at the bottom. Chaves is right bang smack in the middle of the valley at the bottom. Fantastic views. We've only got like half a mile to go from the petrol station to the econ. Oh, the fresh air on my hands. I need to put my summer gloves on tomorrow. Summer jacket and summer gloves are going on tomorrow. Hoping there's a bit of a town where we can get something to eat and a few drinks tonight. You know, like an old square or something where we can just sit outside in a t-shirt and just people watch. That'd be quite nice. But yeah, welcome to Chaves, Chaves, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, welcome. $400 yards on the right hand side. Oh, we've got a bit of a, oh, there we go, look, a bit of a castle. Oh, look, I think this is going to be promising tonight. Oh, round about the old castle walls and stuff, that'll be a nice walk in. Something to see tonight, that'll be good. Oh, look at this outside the hotel. Oh, let's have a beer. This is lovely. This is alright, Rich. This is alright. Are we having a beer? Yeah, should we have a cold one?